What is RPA? Robotic process automation helps in the application of specific technologies that can automate mundane, routine, standardized tasks, creating higher productivity and value with lesser investment. So essentially a computer software or software bot is allowed to capture and interpret applications for processes that involve manipulating data, executing transactions, triggering responses and communicating with other digital systems within the domain. Benefits of RPA. An RPA approach to streamline internal processes, where people and technology work together in harmony, enables better insight into trends and opportunities for businesses. Robotic process automation, RPA, works best with rule-based, regular tasks that require manual inputs. As the software robot uses other application UIs, very few modifications, if any, are required to implement the automation. Number 1 is reduced cost. It has been estimated that using robotics cuts operational costs by as much as 25 to 50%. Robots can operate 24/7 and take no vacation when compared to humans, who work 8/5 and have a prefixed number of annual leaves each year. Having robots take over some of the manually intensive work from humans could result in visible gains for the business. Automation can help you recover the cost within a short time span, and from then on, it is all only about gains. Second benefit is accuracy and quality. RPA offers improved services to processes that have a high probability of human error, thereby increasing accuracy. Robots are reliable and consistent and do not whine when expected to work tirelessly. They also reduce the cases of reworks and improve the output quality drastically. The best part here is that robots follow all rules to the dot, thereby producing 100% accuracy in the process results. And let's not forget what adds more sweetness to the steel: the fast implementation of this technology. RPA optimizes capabilities that multiply the organizational capacity. Third one is the consistency. Robotics is a safe, non-invasive technology that doesn't interfere with the inherent systems and provides perfect consistency in performing the activities across the board, each time and every time. Improved internal processes. In order to leverage AI and RPA, companies are forced to define clear governance procedures. This, in turn, allows for faster internal reporting, onboarding and other internal activities. Fifth one is the faster than human. As bots are handling the execution here, a larger amount of work can be done in a relatively much shorter period. A faster delivery, coupled with accuracy, becomes the norm with automation. Sixth benefit is the increased employee productivity. In order to leverage AI and RPA, companies are forced to define clear governance procedures. This, in turn, allows for faster internal reporting, onboarding and other internal activities. Seventh is the increased customer satisfaction. Delivering better quality of work with high accuracy and improved customer-client interaction leads to increased customer and client satisfaction. This only adds to the goodwill of the business. Last benefit is the RPA does not replace existing IT systems. One of the biggest advantages of using a virtual workforce, or an RPA bot, is that it does not. This is significant for an organization to adopt RPA solutions to have a better insight into what their primary business goals are. If the available business processes and IT infrastructure are effective, then the business can consider RPA automation as a user-friendly tool to meet their automation objectives. Even if the process, platforms, and applications are outdated, then the RPA can be used to solve the issues. Overall, at this age of the digital transformation, robotic process automation is highly required for companies to nurture the healthy working environment.